What's up, boys? It's been a long time. Welcome to my channel, Derek's View. And there is no front camera, sorry. So it's been long since I vlogged. It was the air card ride was the last one. So after that, almost 2 weeks, I did not vlog anything. Today I got some time, so I thought, why don't we go for a short spin? And we got certain comments regarding the bike as well, so I thought, why don't we speak about that in this video. So I'm out today. So right now you guys must see the camera position slightly upwards because I changed it. So far so many vlogs, you guys must have seen the tank also. So I've placed the camera a little bit upwards. So now you guys should see the more of the road and less of the bike. So that's Caleb. I met him long time ago. He's our Instagram follower. All these arrangements are happening for the Aero India. Next month is happening, February 10th or something. Because of that, all these arrangements is going on. So this is the Yelahanka Air Force Base. So every 2 years once the air show happens here. So that is the arrangements happening. All the generators, seating arrangements, all those stalls are going to be put here. So here I need to maintain a speed limit of under 90 kmph. So because there are speed cameras placed inside around throughout the airport. Coming to the comment section which I received, 2 comments regarding the engine kill switch and wobbling. So talking about the engine kill switch, this info was told by the salesperson during the delivery time. So he said each time when you are turning on the motorcycle, like you insert the key, turn on the electronics, all your headlamp, all this turn on, right? And then after that you toggle the kill switch. So when you toggle the kill switch, for this middle point, when the kill switch is right here, when you turn on the fuel pump, it makes a buzzing noise. If you guys have noticed, it makes some hissing noise. So he said wait until the noise cuts down. So after that only you need to start the motorcycle. So before that cuts off when you turn it on. So he said you might damage the fuel pump in the long run. So it is safe to wait for that few seconds. It hardly takes 5 to 10 seconds. So wait for that to complete and then turn it on, so your fuel pump doesn't get damaged. Suppose if you ask me whether GT will wobble, yes, GT does wobble, but not the alloy wheels variant. But the spoke wheel wobbles a lot. So most of my friends who have the regular GT, the normal spoke wheel, the other color options like the Rocker Red, Green, Chrome, Mr. Clean, and etc. Only Slipstream Blue and Apex Grey are the alloy wheels variant. So with the alloy wheels you have other advantages as well, like there is no puncture issues, um wobbling doesn't happen. I've touched 175 kmph with pillion and the bike did not wobble. So I can say alloy wheels doesn't wobble. So if you are planning for GT, go for the alloy wheels. But then if you are a person who is looking for planning to take the bike on looks, just for the looks, go for the spoke wheels, because as a retro motorcycle the spoke wheels look good other than the alloy wheels. Alloy wheels makes bike look much more sportier other than retro. So right now I am maintaining a speed of 72 kilometers because there are speed cameras placed in. So this is inside airport. So people here in Bangalore, if anybody is planning to come to airport, make sure you maintain a speed limit because they are putting heavy fines, dude. And I respect it, speed limit is mandatory because people here, uh, bikers especially, they don't ride properly. Like they built it, bro. They go 150, 180, 200, etc., etc. 200 plus mostly. So maintain your speed limit. It is safe for us as well, right? There are cameras everywhere, dude. Look at that. Air India, or it is the new livery. I'm not sure, whatever is that, but that look cool. So guys, that's about the video. If you guys have any questions or any feedback regarding the video, please feel free to comment down below so that I can know, and we can talk about that in the future videos. So far we have almost 1050-ish subscribers, and for the people who are really supporting, thank you so much, man. The people who comment down below, that's what gives me motivated. Hope you guys liked it, boys. Do follow me on Instagram, boys. I keep posting reels, photography and other stuff. And if you like this video, please give a like, and don't forget the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, tata, bye bye.